To show relation between different charts, what you can do is you can use something called lines. So on the top, you can see line is an option. So you can click on line and just draw it out freely. Or what you can also do is link it out right here. So I'm going to use something called the elbow connector. Click and drag it from the point to another point, and you can see the relation right here. You can click and drag and you can see that they are connected to one another. So even if you move around the chart, you can see that the line sticks to that particular chart. You can go around and then bring in curved chart over here as well. So just like this, you can go around and then let's say, for example, you want to connect around curved chart. You can do that over here as well, just like this. And another thing that you can do is you can go around and bring in arrows over here as well. So there's some arrows right here. You can see that you can go around and bring in arrows over here as well. And there's different like a straight line that you can bring over here as well. So there you go. You can go around, bring in straight line over here as well. So there's different type of lines that you can bring in, as you can see right here. And what you can also do is you can change around the properties of the line. So you want it to be linear line, you can change it out from over here as well. And you can go around and change around the color of the line over here as well. Increase out the thickness right here and change around it into dashed or like dotted lines right here. And you can go around and change the start of the line and end of the line over here as well. So there's the line start. And then you can go around and change the line end to turn it into an arrow as well. You can go around, change this out into custom size right here for a particular line right here, custom size for the start as well. And you can have different size for the start and different size for the end as well. And even change around the custom color right here. So you can go around and turn, let's say, for example, let me just go around over here. And you can see that this is what you have. You can go around, increase this out in size, and you can see that the dot right here is yellow as you select it. But if I were to select black, then you have black. And that is how you can work around with lines to show relations between different objects inside of Google Data Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.